and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are fine.
Alright, so we had another absolutely wonderful breakfast. Some pancakes, some fruit, bacon, eggs. It was all pretty delicious.
Good.
Some more fresh
squeezed orange juice.
Yeah, fresh squeezed orange juice. It has been great. We stayed in this cabin. The name of the place is called the Cabins Out Back. And if you're ever on Verbo or VRBO, whatever you call it, look for the Cabins Out Back. Glenda and Steve are the owners. They've been great. They're a lot of fun to talk to. We stood out and talked to them last night for a little while. Anyway, we stayed at the Nest, which is the smaller of the two cabins. There's also the Roost, which is a little bit bigger cabin, I think. They had 3 people staying in there, so I think it may be a little bit bigger. But anyway, we had a little campfire last night and a little fire pit. It's been awesome place. We're getting ready to leave. We're headed to Abilene State Park near Buffalo Gap. We're going to set up camp there and we're going to bring you along, but I hope you enjoyed this part of our stay and enjoyed our little cabin. I know we did. And anyway, thanks to them for taking good care of us.
Yeah.
Let's get to Abilene.
We don't need no more. Even in the hard time, you and I can weather any storm.
Alright, so we made it here to Abilene State Park. It's a pretty place. It's been kind of a hot day, kind of a windy afternoon, but you get all these trees around, you get nice shade, you got a nice wind block, and it feels pretty good. It doesn't feel too bad down here, does it?
No, it's nice.
Yeah, so anyway, this is our campsite. As you can see, got the tent set up. We got the kitchen ready to pull out. We got a little fire pit over here. Anyway, we're just gonna relax, enjoy the evening, and we hope that you have enjoyed this trip so far. Thank you for staying around this long with us. Anyway, we'll catch up with you here in a little while.
Make some dinner in a little bit.
Yeah, we're gonna make some dinner. I think we're having Philly cheesesteaks, so we'll get that cooked up. I'm sure it'll be delicious. But anyway, stick around. I hope you enjoy it.
So tonight we're going to do our version of Philly cheesesteak sandwiches. I found a thin cut steak at the grocery store and I just cut it into strips. I know that's not typically how they're made, but that's what we're going to do because that's what the grocery store had. So cut that up, seasoned it, put it in here. We've got some bell pepper and onions over here too to throw in with it in a little bit. I've sauteed those till they're kind of soft, and then when the meat gets a little more done, we'll throw it all back in there together. And then we'll toast some buns, fill them all up, and then top it with cheese. And I think we should be good to go.
Alright, here we go with first taste of the Philly cheesesteak. Camp style. You have to let us know what you think.
That's good.
Good.
That's really good.
What kind of seasoning did you use on these?
Salt, pepper, garlic, a little bit of Cajun seasoning for some spice, and that's about it. And then you have the onion and bell pepper in there. It's really good.
Alright, well, we're going to enjoy supper by the campfire, and we'll see y'all here in a little bit. Hey, good morning everybody. Sorry we didn't catch back up with you last night. We had dinner, sat around the fire, got dark, wasn't enough light to film. So anyway, here we are, had a good night's sleep. Got a little windy, kind of a little cold front came through, cooled off quite a bit. Got some wind with it every once in a while. Anyway, got a fire going, coffee going, have a nice little apple breakfast. And anyway, we're gonna get ready to pack up here in a little while and head home. But anyway, we thank you for joining us. We'll check back in with you here in a minute after breakfast.
Yeah, my breakfast this morning is not near as fancy as what we had the last 2 days, but it'll do.
It'll work. Alright, see y'all. And just like that, Courtney's birthday weekend is a wrap. Did you have fun?
I did. It was a good weekend.
Good. We had fun in Fredericksburg for a few days. Stayed in a cool little cabin. Had some good breakfasts that they brought to us.
Yeah.
And then Abilene State Park was great. That was our first time there. Met some neat people along the way. And anyway, we're headed home to get Harper and continue our week, go back to work. Anyway, we thank you for sticking around with us. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions that we can answer, feel free to ask. We'll do our best to answer you. Anyway, till the next time, don't forget to keep on rambling.
Come here.
Oh!